In today's video, I'm going to show you how to save emails locally in Outlook. Whether you need to save a single important email or backup entire folders, this guide will walk you through both methods step by step. This is incredibly useful for archiving important correspondence, creating backups, or freeing up space in your mailbox. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. First, let me show you how to save individual emails. This method is perfect when you just need to save one or a few specific messages. Open Outlook and navigate to the email you want to save. Click on the email to select it. Now, look for the More Actions button, which is usually represented by 3 dots at the top of the email. Click on More Actions, then select Save As from the drop-down menu. A Save dialog box will appear. Here, you can choose where you want to save the email on your computer. Browse to your desired location, whether that's your desktop, Documents folder, or a specific project folder. Next, pay attention to the File Type dropdown. Outlook gives you several options here. You can save as MSG format, which is Outlook's native email format and preserves all email properties. You can also choose HTML format for easy viewing in web browsers, or PDF format if you want a read-only document that's easy to share. Select the format that best suits your needs. Once you've chosen your location and file type, click Save. Your email is now saved locally on your computer. You can repeat this process for as many individual emails as needed. Now, let me show you how to export multiple folders. This is the method you'll want to use when backing up entire sections of your mailbox or archiving large amounts of email data. Go to the File menu at the top left of Outlook. Click on Open and Export, then select Import/Export. A wizard will open. From the list of options, select Export to a file, then click Next. On the next screen, choose Outlook Data File, which has the extension .pst, then click Next. Now you'll see your folder structure. Select the folder or folders you want to export. This could be your inbox, sent items, calendar, or any custom folders you've created. Make sure to check the box that says Include subfolders if you want to export everything within that folder. This is important for getting a complete backup. After selecting your folders, click Next. Now choose a location on your computer where you want to save the PST file. Give it a descriptive name so you can easily identify it later, something like Outlook Backup followed by the date. Click Finish to begin the export process. Depending on how much data you're exporting this might take a few minutes. Outlook will create a PST file containing all your selected emails and folders. One important note, you might need a Microsoft 365 subscription to access the full export feature for saving emails locally. If you don't see these options, check your subscription status or contact your IT administrator if you're using a work account. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to save emails locally in Outlook, both individual messages and bulk exports. These methods give you complete control over your email archives and ensure you always have access to important messages, even offline. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Outlook tips and tricks.